Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Imagine turning your money into an asset that works for you instead of working for it your entire life. Sounds exciting, right? Well, the stock market holds that potential for you, even if you're just starting with a small budget. If you've ever wondered how to get started with stocks but were overwhelmed by all the jargon and complexity, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the stock market for beginners, step by step, so that you can confidently begin your journey towards financial freedom. Welcome to Think and Grow Rich, where we share powerful insights on personal finance, wealth building, and success mindset. Today, we're going to simplify the stock market. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or someone who wants to get better at handling your money, this guide is for you. The stock market can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, with the right knowledge and mindset, you can master it. And that's exactly what we'll help you with in this video. Let's dive in. The first step in your journey is understanding what the stock market is. In simple terms, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you purchase a share, you're essentially owning a small piece of that company. Think of it as a tiny slice of a giant pizza. If the pizza shop or company does well, your slice of the pizza increases in value. Now, you might be asking, how do I buy these shares? It's easier than you think. All you need is a brokerage account. In the US, brokers like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity allow people to open accounts with as little as $0. Yes, you can start investing even if you have just a small amount to invest. When you sign up for one of these platforms, you can access the stock market right from your phone or computer. The next step is to fund your account. Start small, even if it's just $50 or $100. The key is to get your foot in the door and start learning the ropes. Once your account is funded, it's time to choose your stocks, but don't rush. This is where doing your research is essential. Look at companies you believe in, ones you use products from, or ones that are growing fast. For example, if you use Apple, Google, or Tesla regularly, you might want to consider investing in those companies. But remember, don't just buy stock because you like the product. Always check the company's performance, its future potential, and the market trends before making any decisions. Websites like Yahoo Finance and Google Finance can help you track the performance of these companies and give you insights on their future outlook. Next, you need to decide how much money you want to invest in each stock. You don't have to buy a whole share. With fractional shares, you can invest as little as $1 or $5 in a company, allowing you to diversify your investments without having to break the bank. Diversification means spreading your investments across different types of stocks, like technology, healthcare, or energy. This helps minimize the risk if one of your stocks doesn't perform well. As you begin investing, remember that the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and consistency. Over time, the value of your investments can grow, but you need to hold on to them for the long haul. If you check your stocks every day and panic during small dips, you'll get frustrated. The key is to stay calm, stay patient, and let your investments grow steadily. You might even want to consider dollar-cost averaging, which means investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of whether the market is up or down. This way, you don't have to worry about trying to time the market perfectly. To recap, getting started in the stock market is simple. First, open a brokerage account. Fund it and choose your stocks based on research and interest. Then, invest small amounts, consider diversification, and be patient. The stock market isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. If you keep learning, stay consistent, and trust the process, you'll be setting yourself up for financial success. Now that you have a clear, simple plan for getting started in the stock market, it's time to take action. If you're ready to start investing, open your brokerage account today and start with a small amount. Remember, every big journey begins with one small step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Think and Grow Rich for more content on wealth building and success mindset, and share this video with someone who needs it. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm here to help you succeed. Stay motivated, stay focused, and most importantly, start today.